Get ready. Get set. Go. On this lovely day in January. Y'all having a beautiful, beautiful day. I'm out here hanging with my babies. That's Charity right there. Big girl. That's little big girl over there in the shade. Her silly bitty self. I'm having a wonderful day with my babies, man. It feels good out here. It's 55 degrees on the January. It's crazy. Feels good though. Now they about to run into each other. You see that? Alright. Signing off. What?
Help us.
With what? Just go down the hill. You ready to go back home? You ready to go back home? Okay. See how they do me? They leave me out here like this. It's not even right. But it's cool. I'm watching them still, y'all. Y'all know y'all be paranoid about this stuff. But hold on. Y'all hear that truck? Y'all hear that truck? Y'all hear that truck? Y'all supposed to stop. Yeah, go to the side. You know that. You know the deal. Scoot over. Y'all hear that truck just sounding off? Okay, go. Come on, let's go. Beautiful day. 55 degrees. Lovely day. Over. You know the deal. There we go. Get it poppin'. Woo! Alright, y'all. I'm about to sign off here because they getting boring now. My babies are never born. They forever lie. I'm just playing. Gotta be easy.